You're not man enough?
I am man enough.
Then prove it to me. If you're man enough, prove it to me. Stand for what you believe in.
The truth is that I have someone in my life, Princess. We've been together for a very long time, and I love and care about her a lot, and I can't hurt her. I'm sorry, Princess, but this is beyond how I feel about her. It's also about my principle. I have a lot of respect for women, and I cannot find it in me to hurt her.
I see. It's... okay. I hope I didn't make a big mistake choosing you. I just hope so. I mean, you're here telling me that you're in a relationship and you both love each other. Do you even know what love is?
Oh yes, I do. I do.
No, you don't. I'm not sure you know the difference between loving and being loved.
Oh yes, I know, because I know that I love her and she loves me too.
Really?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.